Hey, beautiful soul. So, if you were born on the following dates, that is 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15, 18, 21, 23, 24, 26, 27, 29, or 31, then this is what you will expect in the month of September 2025. We have bottom of the deck, 8 of Wands. Wow. So, again, there is some swift movement. There is possibly travel happening. The Hierophant, lovely. Seven of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. So there is a new beginning, some kind of inspiration happening for you in the month of September, and you are moving quite quickly towards it. You have also kind of collected the required information, the kind of knowledge that is required for this new thing, because you've been working on it since quite some time. So you've like sown the seeds and now waiting for the harvest. So that is what is happening in the month of September. So finally you're making that move, because the Eight of Wands is telling me that you are moving quickly towards something, some goal that you've been waiting for to achieve. And that is, some sort of inspiration, some creative conquest, or something that you've been wanting to do all along, but for whatever reason you've not had the time, or you've not really had the opportunity to do it. But September is the month which is going to give you that breakthrough to move in this direction. The whatever seeds you've sown so far, you are going to reap the benefits of that. And this particular new beginning could be something that could bring that kind of results. And whatever knowledge you've gained so far, you're going to apply it towards this new project or whatever that you're working at, and that knowledge is going to come very handy. So that is how September is going to be. It is going to be the month where you start something fresh.